They have won 7 and lost 5. For the Kings, only their 9th game on the road all year. Up taken by Volsky, up the middle, a shot wide, a rebound off the boards quickly, and score! Well, I mentioned that rebound came off the boards. It rocketed out in front on the Avalanche 28. Puck came off the boards, and Arneson was there too and looked to get his stick. Then it dribbled over to Svatos. Here's Ryan Smith. Smith left side. Here's Stastny. His shot, save made. And sitting down on the ice to knock it away was LaBarbera up in front. Score! Avalanche again. Milan Hejduk. We've said before the Avalanche at the blue line. Armstrong shoots. It's knocked down in front, and Sharnquist moves it out to the right side. Avalanche back in the King zone with a 2-0 lead. Good check there by Green and Cody McCormick. And now we've got Armstrong injured down in the corner. A score as the puck came in front of the net. And the Avalanche, Cody McCormick was there. It's 3.
Blake and Ray Bourque, that quarterback on the power play, the guy who can get out there and take hard shots. They have not had that. Right now, O'Sullivan down on the ice. Looks like he was trying to draw a penalty.
He got checked and knocked down, and play continues. Here's Hejduk on the right side. He leads them in power play goals with 5. Pass in front, score by Smith. A power play goal by Ryan per game for 10th in the league, but it has broken down here tonight. And the Kings are back at full strength after killing that penalty, so don't give up a goal on the power play. Now LaBarbera lost the puck, and it comes out in front. Backhander score! Gives it over to Calder. Calder left wing. Calder's pass back in front. O'Sullivan and knocked away into the corner. Picked up again by the Kings. There's Quincy with a shot. In front, loose puck, whistle blows. Budai's got it covered and flare up again. Advantage of it. Here is Quincy. Top of the slot. Shoots. Save Budai. Rebound. In front. Kopitar shoots. It's deflected up over the screen into the crowd.
You've got to follow the...
Quincy's pass. Gets it back again. Top of the slot. He shoots. Now up the middle. Shot by Kopitar is wide. Rebound off the boards. High in the air and batted out the center. And here's a break by Stewart. Stewart cutting in alone. Shoots. Score. His first inning. Kings are still on the power play for 24 seconds. Here is Doughty with a drive. Blocked in front by Leopold. Leopold with it again. Now behind the net, taken away in front. Score! Coming off the right wing boards was Oscar Moeller. And Moeller gets the Kings on the board with a power play goal. From there, by Frolov is deflected in the corner and comes back to center. Chased down there and picked up by McLeod for the hat trick. And a deflection into the corner is sliding back into the net was wide to the left. McLeod starts it back the other way. And they're moving in, and a backhander and a save on David Jones. Nice move by Jones, but LaPerriere behind the net, trying to get to the puck, fights his way in the corner. Penalty against the Kings. A tip shot just wide, deflected by Hensick, and we're off a Kopitar on the power play. Shoots and a save by Budai. Rebound to Doughty up the middle. Doughty back over to Kopitar. Back to Doughty. Doughty shoots, save, rebound right in front, another save, rebound to O'Sullivan, he couldn't jam it in. And O'Sullivan with another chance, and it's covered by Budai.
Well, there was chances.
It's 26, 7 seconds to go, and the Avalanche going to get their second straight win. Here is Simmons, and this game is over. So no scoring in the third period, and the Kings get 31.